Picture-in-Picture lets you show a second video input in a floating window while you continue working in other apps. In this video, you'll learn how to use the Picture-in-Picture tool on your SmartBoard GX V4. From the side toolbar, open the Widgets menu and tap the Picture-in-Picture icon to launch the tool. When the Picture-in-Picture controls appear, tap the input source you want to display, like a laptop, camera, or HDMI source. Choose the size of the floating window, small, medium, or large, and drag it anywhere on the screen. If the selected input also has a USB cable connected for touch, you can control this input via touch directly within the Picture-in-Picture window. You can also adjust volume, hide menu icons to reduce clutter, or tap the Enter icon to view the input full screen. To close Picture-in-Picture, simply tap the Close icon in the Picture-in-Picture widget. If you'd like to see more videos like this, or discover how Smart provides support that goes beyond the purchase, be sure to subscribe to the Smart Support YouTube channel and visit smarttech.com. Thanks for watching.